JetStream, developed by Intrepid Geophysics, is a web-based system for distributing geophysical data. JetStream data is held on a secure server. Users can search this server for the data they need online and then arrange for its delivery. Many countries have significant amounts of airborne, ground, and marine geophysical data, which has been acquired for government agencies over many years. This data represents a very large investment in time and money, an important asset for the country, a valuable resource for potential investors, and a significant tool to attract investment. It is vital that the people who need this data for their exploration programs can get access to it. However, no matter how much high-quality geophysical data is archived, it is of no value to anybody unless it is available to the people who need it. Having the data stored in the basement may keep it secure, but it will not get it into the hands of those who need to use it. Implementing a JetStream solution can make your data available from anywhere in the world. Provided potential users have access to the internet, they can select the data they need and arrange for its delivery to their local computer for further processing and interpretation. To use JetStream, your customers and users need no special software. JetStream uses standard web browsers to access your site. No special IT knowledge is required of users. The JetStream interface guides the user through simple options to locate the data they're interested in. It is easy to use. If there is payment required, then the customer can place an order, and when payment is confirmed, the data will be sent by email, placed on an FTP site, or shipped to them. If no payment is required, the data would be made available by email or FTP. Here, the user has logged on to the JetStream server by entering the server's URL. Normally, this would be accessed from somewhere else on the website via a hyperlink. This particular JetStream server is our demonstration site. However, functionality is much the same for our servers around the world, customised as required for individual client requirements. In this example, we see an area off the east coast of Australia where Geoscience Australia has acquired seismic and gravity data. The tracks of the seismic lines are shown, and each line is selectable. The metadata which relates to this line can be viewed, along with a thumbnail of the data itself. This line, or a number of lines, can be selected, and then the user can proceed to download. Similarly, the gravity data can be displayed as a located image within the server interface, and the area of interest can be flagged for download. As I mentioned, if payment is required, there would be an intermediate step prior to download. There are a number of options for storing the data. The data can be stored with the JetStream software in a facility that is operated by you. Alternatively, the data can be stored in the cloud. This takes advantage of the faster and more consistent data transmission speeds available in the cloud. Other configurations are also possible. The data can be stored locally, but after authorization or payment, the customer's order can be uploaded to the cloud, and the customer will be given a secure access code to download it from there. Experience tells us that by employing a JetStream system, more people can and more people will access your data. As an example of this, Geoscience Australia's JetStream server has delivered hundreds of thousands of data downloads since it was put into service in 2003. This indicates that there is a real demand for data which can be accessed online. Making the latest, highest quality geophysical data available is the key to exploration success and ultimately, the development of natural resources. JetStream can be the link between your data and explorers and developers who will ultimately generate economic growth. JetStream is used by geological surveys around the world to manage and distribute their geological data. For more information, please contact Intrepid Geophysics at intrepid-geophysics.com.